Imagine running your business on autopilot where customer interactions, email campaigns, social media posts, and lead nurturing happen seamlessly, all while you focus on what matters most. Sounds too good to be true. Stay tuned, because today, we're diving into the top marketing automation tools of 2025 that are revolutionizing the way businesses grow and thrive. Welcome to Smart Tech Talk, where we bring you the latest insights and tools to supercharge your marketing efforts. In today's video, we're exploring the top marketing automation tools of 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, these tools will help you save time, increase efficiency, and boost your ROI. Stick around till the end for our pro tips on selecting the perfect tool for your needs. Chapter 1. What is marketing automation? Before we jump into the tools, let's quickly cover what marketing automation is and why it's essential. Marketing automation refers to using software to automate repetitive marketing tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and ad campaigns. These tools help streamline your workflow, personalize customer interactions, and drive better results. In 2025, marketing automation is no longer optional. It's a must-have for staying competitive. Let's explore how you can leverage it to grow your business. Chapter 2. Top Marketing Automation Tools of 2025. Here are the leading marketing automation tools that are making waves this year. HubSpot. HubSpot continues to lead the pack with its all-in-one marketing, sales, and customer service platform. Its automation features are user-friendly and highly effective. Key features: email workflows, lead scoring and nurturing, CRM integration, detailed analytics. Ideal for businesses of all sizes looking for an integrated solution. ActionAble. Overview. Known for its advanced email automation and customer experience mapping, ActionAble remains a top choice in 2025. Key features: multi-channel automation, predictive actions, seamless CRM integration. Who is it for? Perfect for SMBs and e-commerce businesses. 3. Marketo Engage by Adobe. Overview. Marketo Engage combines AI-driven insights with powerful automation capabilities, making it a favorite for enterprise-level marketing. Key features: account-based marketing, AI-driven analytics, campaign management. Who is it for? Best for medium to large businesses with complex marketing needs. 4. Zoho Marketing Automation. Overview. Zoho offers a cost-effective solution with robust features tailored for growing businesses. Key features: lead management, social media automation, multi-channel marketing. Who is it for? Ideal for startups and small businesses on a budget. 5. Pardo by Salesforce. Overview. Pardo continues to dominate B2B marketing automation with its seamless Salesforce integration. Key features: lead scoring and grading, or reporting, personalized email campaigns. Who is it for? Designed for B2B companies seeking in-depth analytics and Salesforce synergy. Chapter 3. How to choose the right tool. Here are some tips to help you choose the best marketing automation tool for your needs. 1. Define your goals. Understand your business needs and objectives. Are you focusing on lead generation, customer retention, or analytics? 2. Assess features. Look for tools that offer the features you need without unnecessary complexity. 3. Budget considerations. Compare pricing plans and determine what fits your budget. 4. Ease of use. Choose a tool that's user-friendly and offers robust customer support. 5. Scalability. Ensure the tool can grow with your business. Chapter 4. Pro tips for maximizing ROI. 1. Start small. Implement 1 or 2 features at a time to avoid overwhelming your team. 2. Integrate tools. Use APIs to connect your marketing automation tools with your CRM and other software. 3. Train your team. Ensure everyone knows how to use the tool effectively. 4. Regularly review metrics. Analyze performance and tweak your strategies accordingly. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top marketing automation tools of 2025 that can transform your marketing efforts. Which tool do you think will work best for your business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and tips.